Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Is your engine bearing causing low oil pressure? Understand the warning signs. Is your worn engine bearing affecting your oil pressure? If you've been noticing a drop in your vehicle's oil pressure, it could be an indication of worn engine bearings. Engine bearings play a crucial role in maintaining proper oil pressure within the engine. In this video, we'll explore the potential impact of worn engine bearings on oil pressure and discuss the signs to look out for. Understanding these indicators can help you address the issue before it leads to more significant problems with your vehicle's engine. Understanding engine bearings. What are engine bearings? Engine bearings are small components that play a critical role in the smooth operation of a vehicle's engine. They are circular and are usually made of durable materials such as steel or aluminum. Engine bearings are located between the crankshaft and the engine block, as well as between the connecting rods and the crankshaft. They serve as a cushion, reducing friction and ensuring the smooth rotation of these crucial engine parts. The role of engine bearings in oil pressure. One of the primary functions of engine bearings is to maintain proper oil pressure within the engine. As the crankshaft rotates, it splashes oil onto the bearings, creating a thin film of lubrication that prevents metal-to-metal contact. This lubrication is essential for reducing friction and heat. Without properly functioning bearings, the oil pressure in the engine can decrease, leading to potential damage and decreased performance. Signs of worn engine bearings. Worn engine bearings can have serious consequences for the overall health of your engine. Some common signs of worn engine bearings include knocking or rumbling sounds coming from the engine, low oil pressure indicated on the dashboard, and visible metal shavings in the oil. Additionally, a significant drop in oil pressure, especially at lower engine speeds, can be a strong indicator of bearing wear. It is crucial to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage to the engine. Regular maintenance and inspection can help identify worn bearings before they lead to more severe problems. Effects of worn engine bearings on oil pressure. Worn engine bearings can have significant impacts on oil pressure and overall engine performance. Understanding these effects is crucial for maintaining the health of your vehicle's engine. Decreased oil pressure. When engine bearings wear out, they can lead to a drop in oil pressure. This occurs because the worn bearings allow oil to escape more readily, which reduces the overall pressure in the lubrication system. Decreased oil pressure can result in inadequate lubrication for critical engine components, potentially leading to severe damage over time. Increased friction and heat. Worn engine bearings contribute to increased friction and heat within the engine. As the bearings deteriorate, they are less effective in reducing friction between moving parts, causing higher temperatures in the engine. Elevated heat levels can accelerate wear on various engine components and reduce overall efficiency. Engine damage. The combined impact of decreased oil pressure and increased friction and heat can ultimately lead to extensive damage within the engine. Without proper lubrication and increased friction, engine components such as the crankshaft and camshaft can experience excessive wear and tear. This can result in costly repairs or even the need for a full engine replacement. Understanding these effects underscores the importance of regular maintenance and timely replacement of engine bearings to preserve oil pressure and ensure the longevity of your vehicle's engine. Diagnosing worn engine bearings. Oil pressure testing. One way to diagnose worn engine bearings is by conducting an oil pressure test. Low oil pressure can be an indication of worn bearings, as the bearings play a crucial role in maintaining oil pressure by reducing friction between moving parts. If the oil pressure is consistently low, it's essential to inspect the bearings for potential wear. Visual inspection. A visual inspection of the engine bearings can provide valuable insights into their condition. These visual cues can indicate the need for bearing replacement. Listening for abnormal engine noises. An additional method for diagnosing worn engine bearings is to listen for abnormal engine noises. Worn bearings can produce distinct knocking or tapping sounds as the engine runs, signaling the need for further inspection. These abnormal noises can be a clear indication of bearing wear and should not be ignored. By combining oil pressure testing, visual inspection, and listening for abnormal engine noises, mechanics can effectively diagnose worn engine bearings, allowing for timely maintenance and prevention of potential engine damage. Causes of worn engine bearings: lack of lubrication. Lack of proper lubrication is one of the most common reasons for worn engine bearings. When the engine oil fails to reach all the vital parts of the engine, the bearings are left unprotected and start to wear down. This can happen due to low oil levels, oil pump failure, or oil passages being blocked. Contaminated oil. Contaminated oil, filled with dirt, debris, or metal particles, can accelerate wear and tear on engine bearings. Even small impurities in the oil can lead to abrasive damage, causing the bearings to degrade over time. Overheating. Excessive heat can cause the metal in the engine bearings to expand, leading to a breakdown of the bearing surface. Overheating can be caused by a variety of factors, such as a malfunctioning cooling system, prolonged periods of high engine load, or harsh operating conditions. Preventing worn engine bearings: regular oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for preventing worn engine bearings. Clean oil lubricates the bearings, reducing friction and wear. Over time, motor oil breaks down and becomes contaminated with debris, increasing the risk of wear on the bearings. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, you can ensure that the engine bearings are consistently protected by fresh, high-quality oil. Using quality oil and filters. Investing in quality oil and filters is essential for maintaining healthy engine bearings. Quality oil provides better lubrication and heat dispersion, minimizing wear on the bearings. Additionally, high-quality oil filters effectively trap contaminants, preventing them from circulating and causing damage. When choosing oil and filters, consider reputable brands that meet the specifications outlined in your vehicle's manual. Proper engine maintenance. Proper engine maintenance plays a vital role in preventing worn engine bearings. Regular inspection of the engine components can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Ensuring that the engine is properly tuned and running optimally can reduce stress on the bearings. Additionally, maintaining proper engine temperatures and avoiding excessive loads on the engine can contribute to prolonging the lifespan of the bearings. By staying proactive with engine maintenance, you can mitigate the risk of worn engine bearings and maintain healthy oil pressure. Ensuring the health of your engine bearings is essential to maintaining optimal oil pressure and preventing potential damage to your engine. By regularly inspecting and replacing worn engine bearings, you can safeguard the performance and longevity of your vehicle's engine. Additionally, staying vigilant for signs of low oil pressure and addressing any underlying issues promptly can help avert costly repairs in the future. Remember, proactive maintenance is key to keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.